How to request an Uber ride. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video I will guide you on how you can request your Uber ride, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. So in order to request a ride on Uber, all you have to do is just go ahead and launch the Uber application. If you want, you can enable your location services and Uber is going to track you automatically. Or else what you can actually do is just go ahead and select the option called ride, and then over here I'll simply go ahead and search for a specific ride or from my pickup location where I want to be picked up from. So I'll just go ahead and then enter that. So once I enter my pickup location, I'll go ahead and simply enter my destination, and once I simply enter my destination over here, I'll just select it, and then once I do that, you'll be able to see all these sorts of options, right? So the next thing you have to do is simply choose your Uber type. So you can select Uber X or XL or Comfort or whatever else, and after you select your Uber, all you need to do is just tap on the search for a city option over here at the bottom, and then you can see our pickup location here, right? So once I do that, all I need to do is just tap on the confirm pickup button, and it'll ask you to confirm your trip. So it'll ask you to select a payment method to confirm your identity. So to confirm your identity, what you need to do, you can select the state ID or driving license or passport or whatever else. So if you have your state ID, you can select your state ID and then verify it, and then you can select your driving license if you have one, or you can also select your passport, or you can select and check out with credit or debit card, and then you'll be able to successfully verify your Uber account and then easily book your ride in that way. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then book your Uber ride. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.